Obi Otombo. Oh, we're excuse me. Excuse me. Do I see that? Excuse me, sir. Hello? Hi! Hi! Imo! A superstar! A superstar! You are a superstar! You are a superstar!
Scared me.
Oh, see, I catch you.
Fear catch me now.
I'm sorry, my brother.
When you shout and still say something happened.
Imo,
Are you okay?
I'm fine, my brother. So you dey pass this side?
I came to film. I'm shooting somewhere there.
Okay, you are shooting in our street. Our street don't blow. Our street don't blow. So a person like you, they come this side.
Well, am I not a human being?
Ha!
I should be anywhere, everywhere. Wherever I want to go, I go.
Let me say we don't make them. If your people like you, they come here. Let me say we don't make them now. But in again. So you wanna dey alive. I think say only inside TV you wanna dey.
You are very funny. And what's your name?
Waba. They call me Waba.
Waba.
Yeah, I'm Waba.
You sound like one.
How you doing now?
I'm good.
I greet you, chairman. My yoga. See, I be your fan, oh.
Yeah.
I be your fans. I dey tell you, I be your fans. I see the CV so.
Yeah, thank you.
You don't get what you don't do for this life with me. No, they put eye.
Really?
You no get script where you don't do anything, film where you do where I know they put eye. You don't chop my data, die.
Yeah.
You don't finish my data.
Good.
If you see the way I take they follow you, anything where you put, I see the land, I don't watch them.
Time.
As you put them, I don't watch them.
Did you watch the one I uploaded today?
The one where you and that woman, where that Maggi, that your Maggi, that your second, your Maggi.
I mean today's own.
Where you and one small girls, where you say you be queen waiting. Queen of diaspora. Not be you.
That was last week.
Oh, no, last week?
Yes.
I think say today you put them, I don't check the date.
Okay.
If you see the way you take the bomb my data, every month they put 1,000.
Okay. Thank you very much for fanning me. I'm rushing to.
No. I say every month they put 1,000 and you finish them. And they put plenty money to buy data for your this thing, your content event.
It's okay.
So
God bless you.
I'm small thing, make I take the replace the data one I already spent on your head now. Normally, you self know say once you see your fans, you suppose make us dey proud because we dey try for you. We dey try for you.
I just came out to buy food. I am not really. I didn't know I'm gonna see you.
Hey.
I came out to buy corn there, and they are still roasting the
Oh,
corn.
that's the chop corn. That's the chop corn.
What do you take us for? We are all human beings. It's just that sometimes fans see us as God, but we are not. As for me, I am not. I'm just a normal human being. I move around. I eat. In fact, some things that you don't eat, I eat it.
I think say only restaurant when they go. Oh yeah, give me something now. Even if now anyhow, we are go take anyhow. No amount is too small. Do something for your fan, no they for my hand there. All these celebrities sometimes when I go to overdo self. Do something for your fan. Nothing be that. Be this. Organic. Let's go. Let's you. Chiefimo they get a flexi. Hey!
Thunder fire you. No, come and bill your papa. Na me born you. You see celebrity, you won't bill her. It's not a crime, oh, that when you see somebody you are fanning, the person, allow the person to do it willingly. Don't bring your family problems to celebrities. They are human beings like you. Don't even know if I've eaten. This is costume. And sometimes if you tell you that this is costume, I don't have cash, they will begin to do it, force you, do it, just make you to feel guilty as if you don't want to appreciate them. There's nothing bad in when you see your fans. You say, when you can't, but when the person says he doesn't have, understand that person to have family, he has problems. He has all the money. If you continue to give every fan we meet on the road, then we live and then die without achieving anything. You know about Chiefimo, to dock Chiefimo. All for you to know say what the henna get me from. What now, bugger? You say Chiefimo, you be my fan. You they born that 1,000 naira. Now you they take what 1 month to 1,000. Then that time I know say you be thief. The fan celebrity, fan with respect. love, and then expect less. If the person gives you, fine. Do not always make it look as if that person is bad. This man is stingy. You marry now all of us they into this game. How much are they being paid? Before they can afford this celebrity. How much? Concerning family problem, you go wear clothes, you go pay children's school fees, you go pay workers. From that to chicken money, 3 years ago, go to hell.